You know what's amazing? Rice. You know what's even more amazing? Fried rice. And not just any random fried rice. Today we're making Malay-style Nasi Goreng Kampung, roughly translated as a village fried rice, also known as super spicy, super umami, level up your life fried rice. So, let's go! Let me quickly show you everything you're going to need. Fried rice is super quick to prepare and it's just useful to lay out your ingredients beforehand. Your base flavors, you need onions, garlic, and Thai bird's eye chilies or chili padis here. Now, the special ingredient in this particular recipe are these dried anchovies. Now, this is what's going to give this fried rice that special umami flavor. Alternatively, you can use dried shrimps or really just any sort of dried fish. For seasoning, we have salt and white pepper, and also this magic ingredient, Maggi Seasoning Sauce. It's like a combination of soy sauce and Worcestershire Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about. Alternatively, you can use soy sauce or fish sauce. You'll also be needing a regular vegetable oil or any neutral tasting oil that you have. And then obviously you're going to need rice, day-old leftover rice please. You want rice that's a little bit dried out so it doesn't become a broken lumpy mess when you fry it. It's the basic. I'm using brown rice by the way. For veggies, just use whatever you need to clear from the fridge. I just have baby spinach. And finally, you're going to need an egg. Fried rice is just not fried rice without egg yolk. Okay, anyway, let's begin. First, we have to mash the onions, garlic, and chilies together to a rough paste. I have a pestle and mortar here. And a balol, just kidding, I'm too lazy to use the pestle and mortar. So I am actually going to be using my current BFF, a Mr. Blender. Hi, Mr. Blender. Roughly chop up the onions, garlic, and chilies and just throw it in the blender. For my one serving of rice, I used a shallot or half an onion, 1 clove of garlic, and lots of Thai bird's eye chilies. I also can take spice, so I have a lot of chili padis here, you guys, like 5 stalks. I use a mix of red and green chilies because it's just prettier. And yeah, you just want to get it to this sort of rough consistency. It doesn't really matter. And you're basically done with your base paste. And we're ready to fry. Don't be stingy with the oil. If you want to make good fried rice, you need a lot of oil, okay? That's just facts. To start off, we're frying up the dried anchovies. Please make sure you wash these first, okay? We're doing two things here when we're frying the dried anchovies. First, we're making them really nice and crispy as a good textural change to your fried rice. And secondly, and perhaps more importantly, we're flavoring all that oil with the dried seafood so the oil becomes this delicious umami-filled oil. Fry the dried fish until it's crispy like this and take it out of the pan. In the same now umami oil, fry the base paste from earlier. FYI, you might cough or sneeze a lot from the intense chilies as you're frying them. Excuse me. Once fragrant, I add in my eggs. If you have any meat, then add that in first and let it cook before adding in the egg. Just scramble up the egg like this and then mix it up with the base paste. And finally, we add in the rice. Smoosh it all up together with everything and get it all nice and incorporated. Seasoning time, add in salt and white pepper and also a dash of the Maggi seasoning, just a couple of drops. Okay, next I add in my spinach. And guess what? You're done. Super easy and super quick. Once you're happy with your fancy plating, remember those anchovies that you fried up earlier? Sprinkle that on top of the fried rice like this. And now you're done officially. Super quick, super easy, super umami, super spicy. This is probably my favorite nasi goreng or fried rice recipe ever. Trust me when I say this one gets addictive. Try, okay? Bye!